Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode on How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get logged into your BOB credit card account online. Watch this video till the end and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get right into it. First thing you have to do is to open any web browser on your PC. Now there search for bobfinancial.com. And once you do that, you will be landed to its official homepage. Now from here, tap on login button at the top of your screen. And once you tap on it, you will be taken to the next page where you will be able to see login panel at the left side of your screen. Now type in your username and then type in the CAPTCHA as exactly shown on the screen. If in case you have forgotten your username, tap on this forget username link to recover your username. And now, once you're done with typing in the details required, tap on proceed button. And once you tap on proceed button, follow the on-screen instruction till the end and then you will be able to get logged into your BOB credit card account online. That's how easily and quickly you can get logged into your BOB credit card account online. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.